Hey everyone, James here from CloudCore. Today I've got a quick tip that'll save you some time and help you look more professional. I'm going to show you how to set up a meeting invite inside Outlook. Now whether you're new to Outlook or you just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process in under a minute. Let's get to it. Setting up a meeting in Outlook is super simple. All we need to do is take a look at our ribbon right here across the top. Make sure you're on the Home tab, and directly below that you'll see New Meeting. Just click on that, and here's where we have everything set up. We'll give it a title. In this case, I'll just say Test Meeting. And then we've got two boxes, Required and Optional. Required is who you need this to go to. So I will just use one of my personal emails as a required. And then down here, we're going to pick the date. So we'll say on Friday at 9 a.m. And we'll have this go for an hour. So from 9 to 10. Location, here's where you would type in the address of where it is you're going to go. Or if you've got rooms from your company, like a conference room, that would be listed under Room Finder most likely. If this is going to be a Teams meeting, all you need to do is come up here at the top where it says Teams Meeting and click on it, and it adds all of the information in automatically, like you see here. When you're done, click Send, and that's it. You're ready to schedule like a pro in Outlook. If this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick tech tips, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Got a question or want to see a tutorial on something else? Drop it in the comments below. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.